Hi, in this video I show you how to monitor the network using Raspberry Pi. I will install the Cacti software on a Raspberry Pi to monitor other device. Step 1. Install Raspbian on your SD card. Download the latest version of Raspberry Pi Imager and install it. Choose the SD card you wish to write your image to. Review your selections and click Write to begin writing data to the SD card. To enable SSH on your Raspberry Pi, perform the following steps. Navigate to the SD card boot directory using your OS file manager. Create a new empty file named SSH, without any extension, inside the boot directory. Remove the SD card from your computer and put it in your Raspberry Pi. Step 2. Log into your Raspberry Pi. Find the router IP and login username and password, it will be printed behind the router. Go to DHCP settings and open DHCP client list or DHCP lease status. Based on the manufacturer and model of the router, there will be some changes in the settings order and names. But always look for the DHCP settings, and from there you can get the list of the connected device and the IP addresses. Connecting via SSH. Then enter the password, by default it will be Raspberry. Step 3. Update and upgrade. Step 4. Install Cacti. Choose your web server. Choose Apache 2. Choose Yes. Make sure to write this down or remember it. Log in to the Cacti website. Open a browser and in the address bar enter that. Step 5. Add device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.